Do you got any friends that just had a baby? Do you know anyone that just pumped out a kid in the last 6 months? I surveyed 10 new moms and they gave me gold. 7 things, 7 ways that you and I can best serve them. And I'm going to share it with you today. My name is Tammy and I'm with Family with Purpose, and I'm excited to share what my survey showed, that all of us really want to know how to best serve a brand new mom with a brand new baby. Number one is to make a meal. Now, if you don't have the time to cook or make a homemade meal, that is totally fine. You can be the one that does a little scheduling on Facebook with social media that makes it easy. Or everyone can have takeout. You can call the mom and dad and say, what do you like? And then just order takeout. Make a meal was number 1, by far the biggest blessing for a new mom. Number 2 is offer to babysit the older siblings if they have them, and or the new baby. The new baby maybe you won't be able to do right away because the mom tends to hold on to that baby, rightfully so, but offer to babysit the older siblings or take them out on an outing. Another thing is if you have a teenage daughter, offer her services as a mommy helper or a teenage helper. Oh, that's number 2. Wonderful. Number 3, clean their house. Now, when you're taking care of yourself and a baby and other kids, it is hard. You leave your house and it just doesn't get the attention that it needs. So you can go in and either clean their house, or if you live far away or don't want to clean, pay for a service to clean their house, deep cleaning. It'll make them feel like $1 million. Number 4, this one should come naturally, but we forget. Text, email, call, check in. Knowing that you may not get a response right away, but checking in with that new mom, because emotions are flying in their head and their heart. They've just been through delivery and labor and having a new baby. You don't know what's going in their mind. Just checking in, making yourself available, knowing that you're there, even if it's from a distance, that you care and that you love them. Number 5, keep checking in and allowing the mom to be honest. This is really number 5. Telling the mom, it's okay. How are you really doing? Don't give me a cookie-cutter answer. Let me know how you're doing. And if you're a believer, offer to pray for them. That is a big one. I want to pray for you right now. Lift them up in prayer, not only then when you're with them, but later on when you think about them. And number 6 this is a big one. My mom always did this one, and I love it. Don't forget the older kids in the house. A lot of times the newborn baby gets all the attention. Rightfully so, they're cute and new. But the older siblings, they're still there, and they like to get something special. So oftentimes our family takes a gift to the older siblings, and that's something that they just love to be remembered and loved and cherished like their newborn sister or brother. And number 7, this is probably the most important, that's why I saved it to the very end, is hug that mom and don't judge that mom. If you believe in nursing and they don't, so what? If you believe in vaccines and they don't, oh well. If you believe in putting them in their crib to sleep and they want to co-sleep, so what? Don't judge that mom. Love that mom instead. It will get you much further in ministering and loving and helping and serving this new mom and family than judging will ever do. So take it from me and these 10 ladies that I surveyed. If you want to love on a new mom and do it the most effective way that you can, listen to these 7 things and get busy. Until next time, we hope that you're very purposeful with your family. And if you like what you hear, if you've taken something from this and really have learned something, like our video, share our video, or comment below. Maybe you're a new mom and I didn't say one of your things and you say, hey, you definitely need to do this as a new mom. Please comment below because we're always learning. And don't forget to subscribe, because that way you get all of our new videos, whether they're funny, educational, whatever it is, you won't miss out. So again, we hope that you have a great time ministering and serving these new moms. And until next time, be very purposeful with your family.